Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and for this video I would like to show you the way how to make music sounds muffled on a Capcut in a step by step. So the first thing you have to do, you can create a new project and importing your video into your project, and here I would like to use this one. So this is my video. This is a rolling end credit, and I will to add some musics for this video. So the first thing we have to do is just go make sure that this straight line is done in the beginning of the clip. And now to add the music, I would like to use the music that provided by the Capcut itself. By click this audio, go click sounds, and you will be bring into the music's collections. There will be also a TikTok sounds, which is the sounds that imported from the TikTok if you already linked the TikTok account with your Capcut. So I think I would to try to use this. Come on. And then after that, you just need to go click this plus button. The next thing we need to do is adjusting the length of the sounds by go drag the straight line until it's done in the end of the clip. And after that, go click the music or sound section, and go click split and delete the rest. And now to make the music sounds muffled, you just need to go click the music sections, and after that there will be activate several actions and down below, and then you just need to go click this video effects. And now you just need to go into the retro sections and slide the option into the left side until you find a microphone, and then you just need to go click it, and you're done. Now your music is already muffled. That's the way how to make your sounds muffled on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I will see you for the next video.